Here we go. Let's go over here and get all in the, get both cars and everything. Okay. Yeah. What's that girl got? Hey, do go! Scrapper do that same bullshit every time. Oh, that's like something wrong with the car. Try to burn, fuck somebody's shit up. Okay. They do that every fucking time. I ain't know that. Get another line or something on that rack. They do that shit every time. Stall every time. Is I'm lying or not? Do Scrapper stall every time they race? Yeah, they do. Look out. Yeah, they do. Yeah. Shit, that motherfucker pulling that bullshit every time. Yeah. So what you a bet with right, anybody Scrap around them betting against. Okay. Shit. Anybody. But they need to cut that bullshit out. Yeah, that. Ask Tony. Okay. They do that every time. Let's go ask Tony. Okay. They do that same. I'm gonna go ask him. Calm down, Funky Town. You gonna run yourself high. No, man. You gonna fall out. He don't like. Funky Town want. I hate that kind of shit, man. Funky Town want to just get up there. Calm down, man. Be alright. Come on, man. Hey, shake it, girl, shake, work it, girl. Say, man, don't be right by here, don't spend no money. Oh, don't be right here not spending money. I'm trying to show you the chocolate and the honey. Is a small block or a big block? Stroke a motor, show me what you got. Hey, oh, it got a cam in it. Oh, look at that cam. Hey, big block. Hey, big block. 454.
About the 383 in the back, bro. Ooh, big block in the front, hey. Small block in the back. How much it costs? It's gonna cost about a stack. Know that it's good. Never feeling whack, hey. Throw it back. Throw that ass back. I see a big block. I see it getting nasty. Hey.
Hey, look out. I had to leave and go to the bathroom. Cause them people cleaning up the track. Fucking the track up, man. Yeah. Jesse James, that flame went out. Yeah. That flame went out on Jesse James against Triggerman.
You need a damn cam. I already know. You know who I am. Hey, I'm trying to see it. Do it need a tune. Hey, do it need a tune. Take it to the shop. They said they ain't got room. Hey, stuff it in the titty. Got all my partner looking and they staring with me. Look out, look out. Hey, big block on the damn left side. Got another block on the right side. Ooh, it's too big, man, I can't lie. I'm about to take it for a test drive. Hey, third 4-stroke motor. Goddamn, it look like a solid roller. Goddamn, she needs some new damn lifter. Transmission, I think I need a fucking shifter. Hey, just got a fresh cam installed. Goddamn, you know that it's time to ball. Ooh, we take it all night. I'ma be racing camming all night. Hey, need an overhaul. Just changed the oil and she did it all. Hey, got the new springs and the roller rockers. Built motor, she don't never fuck with stockers.
Yeah, and every time King Artoon get up in the line, they make it seem like something wrong with they shit. I'm sick of all this set up, fixed ass shit, man. All this fixed race and shit need to get cut out, man. Attention in the pits. We got about 15 more minutes, guys. 15 minutes for your fuel or nitrous. Sorry guys, the nitrous already closed. You got about 17 minutes for the concession stand. Funky Town. Alrighty guys, you know what time it is. It's free ice cream time.
Dang, that's what I want.
Yeah, free ice cream.